I will show you how to do the border in the pattern. So let's say you start here, you do a regular single crochet to start, then you go through that vertical bar, then in the next stitch pull up a loop, pull up through that first loop, and then yarn over, go through those 2 loops, and you repeat again, vertical bar, next stitch, pull up a loop, go through the first loop, yarn over, go through 2, and again, vertical bar, next stitch, go through the first, go through the last 2. I go just to show you how it looks like. Just don't go too tight. You see I go very loose. I was just using a little piece of yarn to show you. So just create that neat finish. Here you go.